mfite. You can use I have plus something that is your possession. Ushobora gukoresha I have ukongeraho ikintu cy'umutungo wawe. For example, I have a phone. Mfite cyangwa ntunze telefone. I have a car. Ntunze imodoka cyangwa mfite imodoka. I have a house. Mfite inzu cyangwa ntunze inzu. I have a brother. Mfite umuvandimwe. Ushobora gukoresha have wongeyeho n'umuntu mufitanye isano. I have a father. In British English, they combine have with got. Mu cyongereza cy'abongereza bongeraho got. I've got 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Mfite abavandimwe babiri na bashiki banjye 4. And you can use have plus feeling. Niba utameze neza. For example, I have a headache. Ndwaye umutwe. I have a toothache. Ndwaye iryinyo. I have a backache. Ndwaye umugongo. You can also use have plus other activities. For example, iyo uri muri douche ugiye koga vuga I have a bath. Bivuze ngo ndoga. I have a party. Bivuze ngo nkora ibirori. Have ishobora kongerwaho ibikorwa bitandukanye. Have a bath ni igihe woga igihe amazi ari aho uyadaha uyasuka ku mubiri wawe. Have a shower ni igihe woga uhagaze munsi y'amazi akumanukiraho. I have to bisobanuye kimwe na I must. Ngomba. Urugero, I have to practice English. Ngomba gukora imyitozo y'icyongereza. I have to go. Ngomba kugenda. I have to call my friend. Ngomba guhamagara. I have to call my friend. Ngomba guhamagara inshuti yanjye. I wanna ni impine ya I want to. Ikoreshwa iyo tuvuga ntabwo wabyandika. I wanna iyo ntabwo ushyiraho to, ubwo ni ukuvuga ngo wahinnye want na to bigahinduka wanna. Urugero nshaka kuvuga ikintu nshaka gukora, iyo mvuga ikintu nshaka gukora, I wanna go, nshaka kugenda. I wanna sleep, nshaka kuryama. I wanna call somebody, nshaka gutelefona umuntu runaka. I wanna tell you something, nshaka kugira icyo nkubwira. Nigeze kubabwira yitwa I am gonna. Ni impine ya I am going to. I'm gonna go home, ngiye gutaha. I'm gonna study English, ngiye kwiga icyongereza. I gotta ni impine ya I have got to, bivuga ngo ngomba. I gotta buy a car, ngomba kugura imodoka. Nigeze kuhabwa ngo I have to, ariko hano uvuga I gotta. I gotta ni impine ya I have got to, bivuze kimwe na I have to. I gotta call him, ngomba kumutelefona. I gotta buy a car, ngomba kugura imodoka. I gotta sleep, ngomba kuryama. I would like